Enhance AV, we get excited when presented with unique challenges, and our recent project for the Teixeira Cattle Company was no exception. Their sales barn needed a flexible AV system that was part permanent install and part movable to wirelessly share video across multiple screens and various configurations, all within a 150-foot barn. The challenge? To get multiple TVs, including the 65-inch display, built onto a temporary hay wall. There was no centralized AV system in place, and they needed a setup that was simple to install, easy to use, and could be set up in different locations while still connecting to the main system. Plus, with cable runs extending beyond 200 feet, we had to ensure strong, reliable signal throughout the venue. With less than a week turnaround time to their yearly auction, our team delivered on schedule. Now, whether they're hosting auctions, weddings, or community events, their AV system is stable and is effortless to use. Along with an AV distribution system built for future expansion and allowing for the second display to move throughout the building. If you have a complex audio or video challenge, contact Enhace AV. We have the expertise to design and install the right solution.